maid of honor, a lady of a great character and modesty enough to be chosen for this great role. To assist the bride, ladies and gentlemen, the maid of honor, Miss Noraline Iting Kadir, the sister of the bride. A bridesmaid are pattern of her mother's grace, while a bride courageous heart is molded by a father's love. With utmost anticipation, the entrance of the parents of the bride, Mr. Abdurrahman Haing Kadir Al-Hajj, and his loving wife, Hajja Nora Iting Kadir. Both are working at the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and recently moved to Al-Kayat Real Estate Office at the United Arab Emirates, Dubai. Showering our alls with flowers, give this celebration in trust and satisfaction, for it symbolizes love, hope, and abundance. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the cunning flower girls. Starting off with Aya Lopez Ismael, niece of the groom. We have also a twin, Alisa and Alia Urao Kadir, niece of the bride. We have also Diana de la Cruz, niece of the bride. And Kyle Andrea Espiritu Santo, daughter of the bride's friend. The bride of this grand celebration is indeed a woman of noteworthy beauty. Through the years, she has been loved and protected by her parents, well adored and dearly loved by her faithful groom. From this moment on, her life is to welcome a big change, a long-awaited life with her soulmate from now and forever. Born in Zamboanga City, the bride finished her elementary grades at Diwan Elementary School, high school at the Zamboanga City High, Maine, graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Commerce at the University of Zamboanga, formerly known Zamboanga A Colleges, and currently working at the Medical Specialist Center at the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, as receptionist cashier. The woman who means the world to her man. The woman who finally finds her destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, the bride, Miss Annalyn Iting Kadir. Let's give her a big applause.
I have been blessed. I live on you.
and